I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic testing in the Agile environment for the subject software testing. So, testing in Agile environment. Agile testing is a software testing practice that follows the Agile software development methodology. It differs from software development (SDLC). In Agile development, projects tend to evolve during each sprint among collaborators and shareholders. Agile testing focuses on ensuring quality throughout the so it follows the best practices of the Agile development framework. It takes an incremental approach to development. Similarly, it includes an incremental approach of this type of testing. Features are tested as developed. So, what are the principles to be followed in Agile testing? We'll see one by one. So, it follows the best practices of Agile development framework. So, it takes an incremental approach. It includes incremental approach. It's the failures. The features tested is constant response, less documentation, and continuous testing is needed. Then customer satisfaction is one of the foremost thing in the software development as well as software testing strategy. So you'll be having a easy and clean code that's simple to understand. So involvement of the entire development team or testing team is needed. So test driven software will be there. So a quick feedback will be given in the Agile. So the constant response, the implementation of Agile testing delivers a response or feedback on an ongoing basis. Therefore, our product can meet the business needs. In other words, we can say that the product and business requirements are understood throughout the constant response. Less documentation. So if the documentation is more, the people will have the frustration that you have to read the entire thing. So the execution of Agile testing requires less documentation as Agile teams or all the test engineers use a reusable specification or a checklist, and the team emphasizes the test rather than the secondary information. Then third one is continuous testing. The test engineers execute the test endlessly, as this is one of the technique to make sure that the constant improvement of the product. So customer satisfaction is one of the primary goal of any product. Say in a product or a project. So in any project delivery, the customer satisfaction is more important, as a customer are exposed to the product throughout the development process. So easy and clean code when the bugs or defects that is found by or occurred by the Agile team or the testing team are fixed in a similar iteration, which leads us to get the easy and clean code. Involvement of the entire development team. So as you all know, SDLC, since you are computer science students, so the business analyst and developer test the application of the software. Test driven. While doing the Agile testing, we need to execute the testing process during the implementation that helps us to decrease the development time. So testing will decrease the development time. How the testing is implemented after implementation or when the software is developed, it's a traditional process. Quick response. In what way it's quick? So in each iteration of Agile testing, the business team is involved. Therefore, we can get continuous feedback that help us to reduce the time of feedback response